Hello everybody, I'm back to give you a completed flip through of this mini album, of this mini composition glue book. I got to the end and I forgot to show it to you. You've seen some pages in here, but not the completed flip through. Now the difference between this book, and this is listed above the completed flip through, and there's a playlist of me actually working through that, is I glued on every single page. I didn't glue them together like here. And this one, I glued them together. And it's a matter of preference whether you want to work on every page and have it fan out like this, which I personally love, or if you want to glue them together, or if you want to rip them out if you want to. But just beware, if you rip them out, your book will fall apart at some point. But if you're just doing this and you're just going to toss it into the recycling center after a while, who cares, right? So, but I like to display mine, and I really love how this fans out. This is a labor of love. So, let's flip through. I think I have a short showing this. So, because the shorts back then were, a couple of seconds, you couldn't show but so much. So I have some of it. This is a favorite of mine because I used my coloring book fails. I have die cuts. I doodled stickers. This is from pattern paper that I have, magazine, music paper. So this was a lot going on here. I really liked that one as well. I really like them all. This one too had a lot going on. So, longing for peace on earth. Leave your mark, you only live once. Again, my coloring book fails. Magazine, doodling, pattern paper, scraps. Be a truth seeker. It's a favorite create. Oh, this was fun. Common sense is so rare these days. It should be classified as a superpower. There's a lot going on this one too. I have a good time when I piece a lot of things together, because it's always something to see. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoyed this one too. Wishing you a very magical Friday. Oh my goodness, it's Friday too. All right. Be brave. This was funny. This was off of a sticker, but I cut off the head, or something happened right here where it didn't fit probably on a page I wanted, so I cut off. So I decided to put it here. There's music paper again, pattern paper, washi, magazines. I think something from a calendar. This is a scrap piece of paper too that had punches in it. Oh gosh, I get from everywhere, because a lot of times it's projects I have on my desk, and it shows up in my mini composition book, and that's where I like my mini composition book, because when you're working on your large scale glue books, you cut up things. Well, I cut up things. I cut up a lot of things, and so little pieces hang around, so I stuff it in my little mini book, and there's where it ends up. Now this one, everything and anything is in here. There's napkin. That's why this is called a random item glue book too, because whatever I want to put in it's not just a magazine article, it goes. This was a card. This was from napkins. This was from a gift bag, stickers, song paper. This was from a mixed media project that I had. And again, back from, I had punched into a some scrap paper, and some was left over. Washi. It's a lot going on here, guys. Never give up. Don't forget, be brave. Yep. Now, always, I don't know why. It's just a thing. My glue books are for me, and so I guess I'm giving myself inspiration, but all my pages seem to have some kind of message. That's how I've always been from day one. So have fun with it. Okay, we will not do that sometimes. If you're new to my channel, sometimes I'll look down and there will be a message right when I'm getting ready to say something, and then I just start cracking up. And then you know, you gotta laugh. So have fun, especially now, y'all. You know, they say laughter is good medicine. So here is a lot going on in here too. So I really do have fun putting together these little mini albums. So a lot squeezed into this one. And I think this is up on the channel. Most of these are. You know, the process of me doing it. So live loud. And in here, I thought I glued the pages together because I thought I used more wet media, but I didn't. But I just used a lot of marker and stuff and doodling and outlining. I always like to do that, my little dots and stuff. But, oh, this one has a lot too. Yeah. Strength, no rain, no flowers, May, what is it? I think somewhere else it said April. Well, anyway, Mayflowers, no rain, no flowers. And here, every entrance should be grand. Mine aren't. They should be, but they're not. Yeah. Oh, not sophisticated and pulled together. Positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. As he's hanging down. It's totally inadvertent. This came out of a book because there's a flood in the basement and my books got messed up. So I cut them up. Yeah, so I have a lot of books like this. I doodled from paper scraps. I doodled, just from everywhere. I like that one. This one, the little cats. It's from when I was doing that mini album with the cats, the pet. What is it? I forgot what the pets, and I made the mini album, a glue book into the mini album. That's where he came from. He's so cute. And little bits and paper from here and there. And I think that's the end because I didn't quite complete this. And I think I completed this book around October, and I said I finished it in 2025. So I'm glad I finally got the flip through of it up. So all great things have small beginnings. I thought that was apropos for this little book. I really had fun putting this together. Again, I like the looks of this one better. I really do. I really like that. But I like this too. This one is fun too. So if you have made it this far, you are a rock star. So I'd like to thank you so very much for hanging out with me while I look through my my glue book, my mini composition glue book. And if you've made it this far, you know how we do. We like to wave, put a wave emoji to say hello to me, or we put our scissor emojis and our glue book emoji. So once again, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Oh, if you do want to go watch, I will try to remember to link the flip through of this glue book. I'll try to link it right here or right here. We'll see. I will talk to you soon. Bye.